everyone, my name is Fernanda. Welcome to my channel.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this very natural everyday makeup.
If you're interested in knowing how I did this look, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to apply my primer, and the way I like to do it is by pressing it on the skin, not rubbing it. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the dewy finish, and this is one of my favorite foundations just because the finish is so natural, and I also realized that this really minimizes my pores. Always remember to blend the foundation down to your neck. That way your face and your neck match. Now it's time for concealer, and the way I like to apply it is by putting 2 dots under the eye. This concealer is really full coverage, so you don't really need a lot of product. And whatever product is left on the sponge, I like to apply it on my eyelids. Now it's time for cream contour, and I like to apply it with a brush instead of directly applying it on the skin. It makes it easier to blend, and it gives a very natural look. Now I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend everything in. My next step is powder. This is completely optional. It really depends on your skin type. My skin is oily, so I do feel like I need powder. So since this is a natural look, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow gel, and that's all we're gonna use today. I'm gonna show you the best mascara. I promise you, this mascara is gonna leave your eyelashes so long and curled. I didn't even curl my lashes, and the end result is crazy. Now it's time for lip liner, and whenever choosing the shade, choose one that looks like your natural lip color. Now add your favorite lip gloss or your favorite lip balm. This would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for my next video, please comment down below and tell me what you would like to see.